Hello guys, how are you today? Today we're going to talk about how do autotrophic and heterotrophic nutrition differ. Okay? Before we start our lesson today, I want you to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell for more videos. Okay, let's start off with what is nutrition. Nutrition is one of the characteristics from which living organisms obtain the energy required for all the vital processes of the body. Nutrition is a scientific study of food and various modes of nutrition of the living organisms. Importance of food for the living organism. It is a source of the required energy to do all the vital processes in the body of the living organism. And also it constitutes the material needed for the growth and repair of worn out tissue. So let's talk now about the types of nutrition. We have two types of nutrition: the autotrophic nutrition and heterotrophic nutrition. This is the autotrophic nutrition. The autotrophic nutrition, it is a type of nutrition in which autotrophs can manufacture their food by themselves. Example, of course, the green plants. Can you see here? Green plants and some other types of bacteria can synthesize inside their cells and the high energy types of organic food such as sugar, starch, fats and proteins from simple raw materials or materials that have low energy inorganic materials such as carbon dioxide, water and mineral salts from the surroundings. They use these low energy materials together with the sunlight and the chlorophyll to carry out the chemical reaction, which we call it is a process called photosynthesis. So as you know, the plant takes absorbs water from the soil, and it takes in carbon dioxide from the air to form what? To form starch, or to form the food that is needed for it to grow. And it's stored in the leaves. This food is stored in the leaves, and it releases carbon, it releases oxygen. Okay, it releases oxygen. So this is the first type of nutrition. We call it autotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition, it's a type of nutrition in which the heterotrophs obtain their food from the bodies of other living organisms. They obtain the high energy food substances either from the green plants or from other animals that have previously fed on plants. Examples, let's see the different types, or what are heterotrophs classified into. Heterotrophs are classified into holozoic nutrition, and holozoic nutrition includes herbivores. Herbivores are those animals that feed on plants. Carnivores, that animals that feed on the flesh of other animals. Omnivores are those animals that feed or on both animals and plants. The second type of heterotrophs is the parasite. Parasites are those animals or living things that feed on other animals, like bilharzia, worms. The third and last type of heterotrophic nutrition is the saprophytes. The saprophyte are examples of saprophytes are fungi and saprophytic bacteria. Here, can you see? This is a nice like a table. Okay, holozoic nutrition, saprophytism and parasitism. Holozoic, and we said that holozoic would be herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Okay, they are animals that feed, some of them feed on plants. Herbivores and carnivores, they feed on flesh of other animals. Omnivores feed on both animals and plants. Saprophytes, they feed on dead organic matter. the bacteria and the fungi. Here, parasites are those living organisms they feed on other living organisms, like the we said bilharzia, or the fleas, lice, and tapeworm. Tapeworm. The tapeworm feeds on the human. Okay, this is a summary. Autotrophic nutrition: organisms prepare their food on their own. These, as we said, the examples for autotrophic nutrition is the plants, is the plant. They require water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll, sunlight to prepare food. They don't harm others. Examples: green plant. Heterotrophic nutrition: organisms depend on other organisms and materials to obtain nutrition. They do not require any particular things or conditions to obtain their food. In some cases, like a parasitic nutrition, they harm the host organism. Example: human beings, fungi, etc.